let me tell you about the secretive, magical trick people do to resize the images, and this is very important in optimizing them to the web preview, because if they are too big, they will make a lag when the client tries to see them in his own desktop. So let's see a website that will make your life easier with changing them and cutting a lot of the size of these images and make them go to the quota of their default size without 0% quality missed. Let's go and see that. Go to tinypng.com and upload here the image that you want to compress. For example, we need to compress this one. How big it is? It's 3 megabytes, 67 or 670 kilobytes. So let's put it here and let it do its work. You can even put multiple images here and he will do all of them. Wow, so we lost about 2/3 of the image default size, and now we have only 1.2 megabytes. We can resize them more, but this will need a little bit of just like resizing the size of them. But this is fine. 1.2 megabytes is a good result according to this one. So let's go and experiment with the other images. This one and this one. So wow, that's amazing. Can you see that? 1 megabyte turned into 285 and 600 kilobyte turned into 163. So now our images are a lot less in size, and this makes them more fit to our web optimized preview. Thanks a lot for watching, and follow along in the next video to see how we will use these images in our website.